So this is the first opening that we have. All right, which is someone is hiring for network engineer, L2, 2+ years of experience required. It's in Bangalore, and all those things is there, right? And this is the mail ID on which you can send your resume. Meanwhile, today we have for the freshers as well, so stay tuned. All right. Next opening is for the network technical specialist. Vikroli is the location. 5+ years of experience is required in networking. 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. is the role. They are the key responsibilities. They are the required skill. They are the qualification, right? And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next is SOC Analyst L1 and L2 is the position which someone is hiring for. Delhi, 2+ years of experience required. 30 to 60 days of immediate joining. They are the key responsibilities. This is what they are looking for, and this is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume, right? Next is someone is hiring for the cybersecurity intern. It's a paid role. It's in Lagos, right? I don't know where exactly the Lagos is, and this is the URL where you can apply. And 10th May is the last date on which you can do, right? Next is vulnerability management role, which is for the security engineer. 6 to 10 years of experience is required, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop this, right? L2 network security engineer, Shillong is the location. They are skills required, 2 to 5 years experience required. These are the mail IDs on which you can drop your resume. That's what we have for today. You can join our Discord, Cyber Coffee, YouTube channel, which is Hindi, web application, pen testing internship. You can join from here, and SOC internship you can join from. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.